Good morning, guys. Sean Evans here at Lift Deals and Thrills, and today is the day. I've been so excited. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning. I literally, the first time I woke up, I was like, Voltron! I haven't been to sleep since. It's way too early for this Stokey to pretend he's posh. It's way too early. It's so posh in here. It's so very posh. But I need fuel for the day. It's all starting to feel very, very real. Ice cream. Yes, we have Croatian ice cream. We have drinks aplenty. And this looks absolutely phenomenal. I have many, many questions. Firstly, why am I here? Secondly, how am I here? Thirdly, when do we get on the ride? I feel as though my attention keeps going to the Tesla tower. I keep scouting the area. My attention keeps being drawn towards the tower constantly. In the little Rimac case, we have the car itself.
Dobrodošli na konferenciju.
It was broken. It's working now. It's working.
Trotz allem immer auf dem Uhr setzen.
6 Enkelkinder fehlen noch, sagt er gerade.
Just here you've got the Voltron 4D, which debuted, I believe it was late last year. When we came in September, it was just about to be put on the 4D theatre around that time. Look at all these lovely props that are getting wet outside. Nikola Tesla would not be happy. I don't know why we have donkeys, but we have donkeys. I don't have any food for you, but what do you think of the ride? Yeah, okay. They won a first rider competition, I believe, and they're going in right now. And little Sean from Stoke, hopefully, is after all the important people.
It worked! Nicola, are you alright? Power of Voltron Press. Words just cannot describe it. You've got to experience it.
Well, come on then. Join us down here so we can open the Voltron Nevera for everyone to experience it.
It's Nikola Tesla. Never had fancy food in a Queueline before. Wow, that's how you open a ride. Wow, the level of detail is ridiculous. And they pushed in front of me. Oh my god. And there it is, the Nikola Tesla animatronic. Oh, look how there's so much space. Wow. scary. scarily realistic. Scarily realistic. Right, we're going up straight into the station. That is phenomenal. I haven't got time to take it all in. I just want to get on the ride. You can see the rolling station there, just like Arthur. And I can see it's like a blur through the glass there. There's a blur. Hold on, we're coming in. Look at this for the first time. The station for Voltron. Them beautiful Mack ride seats, like an upholstered, luxurious. I can't even speak English right now. I cannot even speak English as the Mack family come in for their ride. I was going to say their first ride, but it definitely isn't their first ride, as they jump on and experience Voltron for the first time on opening day. I'm so excited. Just get me on it. Now. Look at the lighting effects on the trains. Look how cool that is. This is going to look incredible at night. Oh my god! What was that? Oh my! It's so intense! Oh my god! Oh, second launch! Oh my god! They've created an absolute monster! Oh my god! Where are we going? I was not expecting that. Oh my god. Wow. That was one of the most incredible things I've ever experienced in my life. Right, on the way out, we got Voltron congratulations certificate straight into the gift shop, and I need to catch my breath. So we got plasma balls, caps. It's quite simple merchandise, but nice merchandise all the same. I got all the Nikola Tesla books. Yeah, merchandise is it's simplistic but stylish. See, now I'd rather stylized merchandise than a stylized coaster. Isn't that right, Thorpe Park? Isn't that right? Right. And then this is the model that we showed you last year when we came to Europa Park. This was in a different part. This was just outside the cinema. I'm still feeling that roller coaster. I'm going to dissect it in a second. But I'm definitely still feeling it. It's definitely not one that you could do multiple laps on. That's for damn sure. Just been given a goodie bag of things. I'll probably unbox that in a separate video maybe, because there's a lot of stuff in there. But wow. Mugs on top of mugs, cushions on top of cushions. How do I digest a ride like that? I've done it twice now, and it's so intense. The vertical launch, the little surprise before the vertical launch inside, like a pre-show, there's a bounce track. Along with the Tesla coils, and you're kind of forming that electricity as you're going up and down on the waves of electricity before you're launched. It's the intensity from start to finish. There are no dull moments. It just keeps going. It's relentless. It's empowering. It's got this weird sort of sense of like you're on a journey and like you're on an adventure, and it's transcendent. It's you come to these press events and everyone's like, oh, it's amazing, and most of the time it's not always that good. Whereas with this and the grand scale of things, they've created something so special and so incredible that I can't quite put my finger on just how amazing it is. Voltron Navara, I'm going to say it surprised me more than Ride to Happiness. It impressed me more than Ride to Happiness. So by default, Voltron is now my number one roller coaster. Now I don't normally rank them, but if you're going to have a number one, it's got to be something special. And that was something special. The level of detail, the theming, the animatronic, it's so lifelike, it's scary. And at some point in the future, Weta and Europa Park are going to be working on some sort of AI system where you can actually have a conversation with Tesla himself, which would be very, very cool, very, very futuristic. I've come off the ride twice and I've been shaking both times, nervous. Legs, just adrenaline. Highly recommend on the front. I haven't done a back row yet. Legs are shaking, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's no vomit on this sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. But yeah, wow, Voltron Europa Park. Thank you so much for inviting us out. Thank you so much for the experience. Phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal, world-class ride. I'll see you guys in the next video. I need to sit down. That was intense. Bye.